So hey guys, the third day in a row I'm streaming. Cool. Hopefully this will continue. Yeah, sorry that I'm again with my webcam from my MacBook. I know the quality is not great, but I guess you are not here to looking at me. You are here to looking at code. And yeah, yesterday what I did is this. I will share screen. Yeah, is this. I managed to automatically generate buildings, but as you can see, the issue is that my goal was to display them next to each other and start at the center and then continue with the same spacing between each of them. But somehow I messed it up, and this is what I end up with. So today we'll try to fix this and create metrics with buildings that will be added automatically and randomly. And yeah, that's probably all for today, because I think it would be hard to find out the correct algorithm for this. So I was thinking about it, and I will have to draw it. So, because that's the most important thing, to draw it correctly. So let's say that I have this this matrix, right? Right. Oh man. Spät. Okay. It would be much better to have some table here, but I guess no table. So let's continue. Oh. Okay, so this is x, right? And this is epsilon. So let's make it a little bit wider. This is x. This is epsilon, right? Now, let's say the buildings are these points. I want a building in every point here. So this is building, this is building, this is building, and everything here is building as well. These lines are two space wide, because I want between every building to have space of 2, right? For now, at least. So let's say this is 2, this is 2, and so on, and so on, and so on. So now this means that this point is 2, 2, right? This is and y, and x. So this is 2, 2. This is 4, 2. I don't know, is x the first or e is the first? I think it's the opposite, right? Usually the x is first. So 2, 4. This is 2, 6. And this means this is 0, 0, 2, 9. And this is 0, 4. This is 0, 6. And it means that this is -2, 2, right? This is -2, 4. -2, 6. Okay. And then this is 2, 0. This is 4, 0. 6. No, actually no. It's -2. So this is 0, -2. And this is 0, -4. Maybe I should have used Excel. Okay, and it will continue like that, right? This will be minus 2, 0. Yes, that's true. So now, how to create algorithm that will basically take this and start, for example, here, and then goes like this, right? Every single time it will add another building. This is what I would like. Or it can do it randomly, but I'm not sure what's better. Probably buildings are created randomly, right? But then if it will be random, then I would have to save the metrics and add some check that if it's already in that position or not. Let's start with this. So first building will be -2, 0, second 2, 2, -0, 2, -2, 2, 2, -2, -0, 2, minus, wait. No, this is not correct actually. This is 2, 0, and this is 2, -2. And here it's already 4, right? It's 4 -2. 4 -2. Then it's again 4, 0. and then for 2. So this needs to, for sure, should be easy to calculate, right? It's just, let's first focus on x, right? So first x is 2, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Two minus 2. Wait, well, did somebody join? No. Okay. Doesn't matter. It's probably because it's Friday. I hope that you can hear me well. Let me check quickly. 2. Yes, that's, yeah. So let's write the numbers down. I need to visualize this because I don't know why I have so big issue with this. I'm pretty sure that it's simple and it's something that is taught on school, but it's a long time since I was in school. So 2, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 2, 0, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 0, 2, minus 4, 4, minus 4, 2, minus 4, 0. Okay. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 4, minus 2, 4. Oh man. How to do this? So if I forget the y, the x are weird. If I forget x, the y are also weird. And if I do it together, like what's the correlation between them? Let's say let's add x until oh man, let's ask ChatGPT. So I have those positions in XE graph. It is spiral with space of 2 between points. I have example of beginning. I want you to create function in JavaScript to create those points based on the example and continue. To create spiral with space of 2 points in the Cartesian coordinate system based on the example I provided. Pattern the spider directions left up, left down, right up, left down. The length of movement increases by 2 units after every 2 steps. But then it's not after every 2 steps. Maybe it will work. Yeah, it looks like actually that it works. Cool. You really don't need to think anymore with AI. I'm pretty sure there would be some question on in the school, but since we already have AI, luckily we don't have to think. Oh no, we don't have to think anymore. But I remember that before AI I would definitely at least try to think about it, but right now with AI it's just not worth it because it saves you so much time. AI will really replace us. All of us. But at least it's working. Yoo-hoo! And I didn't have to think about it at all. But what I don't like is that it's too far away. That's first thing. But that should be simple fix. And another thing is that I would also like the spacing will be to be random between 0.1 and 0. -1 and so on. But yeah, this is good start. I think this already looks like nice city, right? Like for at the beginning, this can be okay. And when you look at it, it's quite big. And imagine that this is created automatically based on the events that you visit. So it should be cool. I don't want to spend too much time optimizing this model because this is just for MVP. For real application, this would look much nicer. But I want to create MVP, push it to the App Store, try it, and then start working on real application. By the way, I just remembered, I noticed that some of you joined my Discord server. It's cool. If more of you want to join, please find the link in description and join. You can ask any questions, not only to me but also to others. So that's cool. Man, use Cloud Sonnet is a lot better than ChatGPT from programming aspect. Yeah, I already heard about that, but thanks. I'm actually trying not to do it that often, but right now I was just lazy to think about some algorithm how to do this. So I just wanted to do it quickly. But yeah, I heard that Sonnet is better for programming. Also, you can run the code there, right? I heard something like that. Yeah, but this is good start. This is good start. I will commit this. Working city and now we can add some random spacing to the steps. Plus step plus... Wait, this modulo is a little bit bad. Because if I will add... Oh, wait, actually this is for directions. This is not for steps. Oh, okay, so it's cool. Maybe the current line. Step. You know what? Let's edit here only. Step and space, let's say, which will be step plus a random math value oh. By the way, I don't need one from 1 to 1. I want from 0 to 3, but it can be 5. Oh. Really? Is that simple? I never remember how to do it. I was always Googling it. Oh, this is not that great. And it's also new every time I re-render it. That's also not great. I would have to save it to the database. But the randomness kind of work, right? It looks now much more... I mean, it looks still weird. Oh, it's because it's always only positive, right? No. Oh yeah. It's not adding it to the... Okay, wait. Now it looks better. No, it still looks not that great. Okay, let's forget about this for now. I don't care. It would be best to do it based on that mesh, but that's high level and it doesn't make sense to do it for MVP. For MVP, it's just same space for everything. Cool. Now let's add it dynamically. So the generating part is working correctly, right? I don't need to touch this for now anymore, but I want this to be generated as well, based on the previous events, right? How long I'm already streaming? Half an hour. So based on previous events, I need to create a random number and save it to database. And I need to do it when? Okay, let's try to calculate it first just now for display, and then I will handle saving to database later. So just to show it now, what I need all events. So I forget already what is everything there. So let's display event. And I need correct dates maybe? Wait, when I click show all dates, details. Correct dates. Get correct dates. Okay, I have special endpoint for it. And I'm showing it simply. Okay. How it looks on the backend. Okay, if I remove this, where? Then I should see also older dates. Cool. Now if I say on random ones, I'm going or not? Then I can simply go through all the dates that are until now. And for every of them, get if how many person is going there, because it's list is array. And for every person in that array, I will add one building. Yeah, that's it, I guess. And when I will add it to the database, when I will add it to the database. Once I load, I need to check it. And that's the only issue, right? How to save it, when to save it. Because, you know, let's say it's today, right? I will say for two, or no, the event is tomorrow. I will say that I'm going. So I will click yes. Right now, I don't want to count it. Then it's new date. So let's say tomorrow or 2 days from now, I will have to edit because it should be only for the events that are in the past and they are not changeable anymore. You know, let's not think about it right now. That would be issue of tomorrow. For now, I just want to randomly, to correctly show buildings based on how many people is going. Yeah, that's a goal for now. So let's say I have the event, no models. Okay, for now I will edit here, for now. Okay, now I have a result. Based on the result, I want to get data, and based on data, I want to go through them. And the data, they have this event ID, attendance going. That's only what I need. So for actually should be here in the schema. Correct date, that should be it. Yeah. Okay. I think this should work. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Nobody's watching. I guess it's because it's Friday. Oh, I know, but I forgot to add event ID. Oh, what is this? Cool. Cool. And we successfully created uh, a random generation of city based on history of events that I attended, let's say. So let's go to the football, right? Okay. What's wrong? Now it's done. So for football, I don't know why it's rendering again and adding more each time. Weird. uh, but based on the history, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there should be at least 6 buildings. They are randomly created every time. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 buildings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess somebody else also said. Oh, 9 because here is yes as well. So now it should be only 8. Let's wait until it re-renders again. By the way, it's because I'm not saving the random numbers to the database. Once I will save it to the database, this will not happen. It will always load the same numbers. It will not change like this. You see, I removed few yes, and now there is less people. And it should work also if I log in as different user, let's say as Peppa. unauthorized. You can see, wait. Oh yeah. You can see me as Frontend now said yes, and I also see this football event as the whole city, even so I'm now logged in with different user. So this works. This actually works nice. Yeah, this works nice because also as different user I see it correctly. Now only what I need to do is to save the random numbers to the database, created them just once, and then change it every time somebody say yes or no, and it will be in the history. And I should get the numbers only for the events that are in history. And this way, since I'm pulling basically every 3 seconds, since I don't have a WebSocket for now, it will load updated city once the event will be in the history, or somebody will update something. So let's say I say yes for many things. But today I'm not going, but I said yes to the events in the previous dates. Let's say even more. You can see the city is growing based on me saying yes. So that's cool. And let's imagine that this already was set, is already in history. The events, the random numbers are set in the database, and I'm just pulling them. Cool. Cool. So it's working. I think once this will work, I will also add some surface, and basically the MVP is finished. I will just improve some things like not showing password and some other things. But except that, I think MVP is finished. And then we can focus on somehow putting it to the App Store. Once it will be in the App Store, I will try to hire someone to improve the design, improve models, improve everything. And then it will be the real app. And once I will improve the design, I will also probably like refactor everything so it looks much nicer, much cleaner, and so on. And after that, the app is finished. Cool. So that's all for today. I hope that you liked it. Not that many people joined today, but I was expecting it actually because it's Friday, right? The weather is nice and I'm basically the only one who is prioritizing this. But since I wasn't streaming that much, I said to myself that I need to prioritize this now. And yeah, so the app is almost finished. We'll see. I think it will take maybe a few streams and it will be fully finished. And then I will try to focus on deploying it to the App Store and also Android. Okay, yeah, don't forget to join my Discord server. It's in the description, and see you next time.